Hi Felters and welcome to day 23. Now this is just a little bit of an extra because I was going to do it as something for this little one, but I don't think they work. We'll just open them up and they're really good to have in your stash anyway. So day 23, literally nearly empty, very sad, and it's the smallest one. You'll see why when you open them. And oh my goodness, these went everywhere. So I don't think you can tell from there, but let's pull them out. So these are Angelina fibres, and these are the heat bondable ones. And you also have a little sticker because I wanted to put a sticker in and I thought they were cute. So you've all got different stickers. There were loads and loads of gnomes. I've got fibres here everywhere already. These go absolutely everywhere. So I don't know if you can see the glisten, and I'm going to show you how to use them. Now originally she was going to have wings, but I don't think she needs wings. It's up to you. You could do wings if you want to. And these have got some nice greens and blues in them. There's sort of the little hues. You've got quite a bit, so this will do you a pair of wings. Well, it'll do several wings actually, and I'll show you how to use it now. Here we are all set up. So I've got a towel on the desk. Obviously you could do this on your ironing board, and the ironing board will give you a flatter effect. I've got a ridge on this, so I'm going to see if it affects the wings. It would be quite a nice effect if it did. I've got my iron. It's on really low temperature. I've got, these are just holding down. This is baking paper because it's curling up. So we're going to make one big shape and then cut that shape to form the two wings. So if we take out however much we think we'll need, I've taken out about half, and I'm just going to mix it up a bit because it's a little bit chunky. And you only get one go at this. So I think you're going to have enough to test out two wings looking at it. Yeah, there's still quite a bit in there. Depends how big you want your wings to be as well. And it doesn't have to be super thick. Let's see if you can see that. It's so sparkly. I'm just going to go for it and put a bit more down. There we go. And then bring this over. Nice and flat. I should be able to just get these out of the way. And then take your iron and we'll just do a first go. Keep the iron moving. I know that's very important. No more than 15 to 20 seconds in total as well. So we'll see if it's done anything. Oh yeah, it has. They're super flat. Just going to do a little bit more. And then I'll turn it over and do the other side as well. It's come out quite flat actually. It's not ripply. I'm just going to put a bit more pressure. Turn it over. Oh, it has come a little bit ribbly. That might be too much heat. But there we go. And there we have the middle bit's all solid, so you still get these edge bits. But can you, yeah, you can see that. Lovely. So we now need to do a wing shape. I'll just get her over and we'll have a look at the size. So the thing is, I don't think wings really suit her. That's my only sort of feeling. I don't think she needs them, but if you want to do them, I might do, should we do two? Let's see how this goes. I'm not that good at being artistic. So definitely I'm just going to cut all the edge off and then I know where I stand with the exact shape because it's quite big. Let's move it round. There we go. So I've got a big circular bit. So I was going to do how would we do a wing shape like that? Yeah, so we do 2. You might do your own shape. I am, like I said, I'm not the greatest at doing something really artistic. So we're going to go to the middle. Back out. And then sort of wing shaped. I thought we'd do 2 of them. They look better upside down actually. So I do another one, similar as possible. So could she have 2 wings? Does that work? Not really. Oh dear. But you get the idea. So would it work? No, it's definitely that way. They definitely work that way round. And there we go. She could have them as sort of wings like that. If you see, they are so pretty and pearlescent. And you can, let's just move this out of the way. Let's go with just one set to make our lives easier. Let's have a look. They're going to be about there. They stick to everything. You should be able to just felt some wool and felt them on. So I'm going to take finer needle, the red one, and a bit of wool, and you can just felt it through. Didn't really intend for her to have wings, but she does now. There we go, she's got some little wings. Oops, there's bits everywhere. Though they should be a bit higher, but you get the idea. So I'd move them up there a little bit and maybe do a slightly better wing shape. I'm also going to show you a different variation on wings now as well. And you do have enough to do a second set if the first set goes wrong. So you've got plenty there. And if you ever buy it again, it's the heat bondable. Remember, that's very important. Otherwise, it won't work with the iron. The other Angelina fibres you get, you can sort of felt over the top of them and put a bit of glitter into things. So they aren't heat bondable. I would cut them up and then sprinkle them and then put a thin layer of wool over the top, and that would make them quite shiny. But these are just stunning, aren't they? So I've left the towel down. My mat is a mess at the moment, but the alternative to these fairy wings, which are very pretty, now I see them, I think, yeah, they do look quite nice, but hey ho, slightly different shape. I think they'd look a lot better. Is you could do fairy wings out of your fibres, and this fibre's got green in it and it's really sparkly and shiny. So we could do some with this. The other way of doing them is you could literally do them with the leaves, and they might look quite sweet as sort of fairy wings. You see that? And you could put a pretty pattern with the wool on one of your leaves. Or you could just leave them as leaves and use them. Which leaves have I got done? So you could do them like that, and that would sort of be very much in keeping. So that would be pretty. But another way of doing wings, and we have to try and pull out the fibres nicely. I'm just going to get rid of that end and then just give them a little twirl. So let's pull them out. And basically, you get a loose wing like that. Very gently. And see, it barely shows there. The only problem is, so you're going to attach them at the back like that, is they're quite floppy. So you could have them pointing slightly down like that. If we just do the other one, and we'll attach them in the middle, see what they look like. So you're pulling out a sort of small amount of wool. Size wise, let's give you a measurement. So easily 7 inches with all the fluff, and then they'd be a bit smaller by the time they're done. So let's just concertina the ends up, and then we'll give this very gentle felt, but you want it to have that shape, you know, you want it to fan out in the middle. Let's just see how much felting we can get away with, because the other side always looks quite good. Keep them similar together. And if you're really getting into felting them a lot, then you might as well felt the whole thing and put wire in them. So if we look at these, and these, I am just doing these roughly, sort of like little fairy wings. Don't really want to trim stuff, but we can smooth it out again. Yep. That's good. That's fine. Bring that one together a bit more. That's too wide. So if I make them a tiny bit smaller, it might make them easier to stay upright. And then I was going to felt through. Oh yeah, there you go. Oh yeah, by the time you felt them onto the back of her, they would stay. Yeah, they're staying upright. So that's your other option with any of the wools that you've got that you might like to use. So that's the last of the projects, you'll be pleased to hear, but I will still see you tomorrow for some more little parcels to open and something else to go on the wreath that's really simple to attach. But I hope you've enjoyed that. Do pop on YouTube and have a look at how to do wings. I saw a fairy with leaf wings, and that's what gave me the idea for that. So we'll see you tomorrow for day 24.